Good morning, children. So let's start with our English class. Lesson number 9, The Challenge Conqueror, Pandit Dr. Puttraj Gawai. In this lesson, we will know the great person, legendary person, about his lifestyle, his dressing, his childhood, his education, and what have he achieved in his life. So everything we are going to learn in this lesson. I'll read the first paragraph. Look at the photograph. He is a person without eyesight, attired in a plain dhoti and spotless clean khadi full shirt, with a laced turban adorning his head, vibhuti, sacred ash, on his forehead, a sandal tilak between the eyebrows, and a braille wrist watch on the left hand. He has a rosary of Rudrakshi around his neck. He is playing on the veena. Children, this paragraph completely describes of a person who is in the picture. The person who is in the picture has no eyesight, means he was blind. Attired means dress. What type of dress he is wearing in the picture was white plain dhoti and khadi full shirt and turban on head. He applied vibhuti, ash, sacred ash, on forehead and a sandal tilak. Braille wrist watch means a watch he was wearing which blind people only can read. They can touch and feel the time numbers and they can identify what is the time. He was wearing on his left hand and also wearing Rudraksh mala around his neck. He is playing veena. Veena is a musical instrument. Can you guess who the person is? Yes, you have guessed it right. It is none other than the legendary musician Pandit Dr. Puttraj Gawai, a picture of deep simplicity. He is none other than the legendary musician, means famous musician Dr. Puttraj Gawai. Though he was a great person, he earned a great name and was very popular, but he was a simple man. He liked to live very simple life. The word Gawai means a great singer. Puttraj Gawai is Vaigaikara, a composer. He has created and contributed new ragas to the world of music. He is a legendary musician, a vocalist, a gifted writer, a playwright, an instrumentalist, an ardent lover of music, a proprietor and director, and a poet, all rolled into one. He dedicated his entire life for educating the visually challenged and destitute children. Though he was an embodiment of knowledge, he considered himself putta, small in everything. His dedication to his Guru was great and it speaks of his great humility. See, children, though he was blind, he was a great singer. Gawai means a great singer. He created new tunes, composer. He was a composer of music. He has created new ragas in the world of music. He was a great musician also. Vocalist means gives voice for the other persons who are acting. He was a writer, like he used to write stories. He was a playwright, dramas he used to write. To write, and actors used to act on his dramas. He was an instrumentalist, means he knows to play many instruments. He loves the music. He was a proprietor, means head of the company, and he was a director also of that company. He was a great poet. All this talent was in one person, that is Puttraj Gawai. He was a localist, legendary musician, then writer, playwright, instrumentalist, ardent lover means great lover, and he dedicated his entire life for the visually challenged people and destitute people. Destitute means orphan people. He always dedicated, he used to take care of the small children about his education. Though he was very talented, but he was not proud of that. He was always happy to help others and to live a simple life. He was very obedient to his guru. Guru means teacher. He always give respect and listens to their guru, the obedient child. Devara Hospet in a village in Hangal Taluk in Dharwad district is a place of pilgrimage for devotees of Shiva. There lived a pious couple named Revanaya and Siddhamma. Puttraj Gavai was born in Devara Hospet, a village in Hangal Taluk in Dharwad district. It is a place of Lord Shiva. The devotees of Shiva will come to pray there. Puttraj Gavai was born to a pious couple, means religious couples. They were Revanaya and Siddhamma. A boy was born to them on 3rd March 1914 in his mother's native place, Devgiri near Karachagi in Haveri district. They named him Puttaya. The child was very attractive with bright eyes. The parents were very happy and their joy knew no bounds. Puttraj Gavai was born on 3rd March 1914 in his mother's native place in Haveri district. They named him as Puttaya. Puttaya was very attractive. When he was small, he was very attractive and his eyes were very bright. The parents were very happy to get a child with beautiful eyes and attractive face. Remaining part of the lesson we will see in the next video. Thank you.